Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Thinker. Today we are transforming Excel data into the fully functional dashboard with interactive charts, filters, and real-time updates, all using HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, and Chart.js. Imagine instantly visualizing your sales revenue or performance data in a clean interactive interface without needing a complex software. By end of this video, you will have a dashboard that updates dynamically with every search. Stay tuned and let's dive in. First of all, we need our data in Excel and CSV format. If you don't know that how to create a CSV format file, then please do the searches online and you can convert the file easily, and or you can create by yourself as well. So here we have the data in the CSV. After that, we need a Word file which we need to rename as .html. So name we can give anything as per our choice. Then we need to save file in HTML format, and this one as CSV. So once we are done with our HTML file, when we will open this, it will look like, the structure will look like this. So what we need to do, we just need to select our CSV file and boom, our data is ready in the minutes. Now our dashboard is fully functional. Like you see, you will select the categories one by one, right? and you can allow paging as well. So, and even you can do the searches like if you need to search particular month, so you will write Feb, then it will show Feb data. So not only this, if you search for that particular category, so it will show the count as well once you hover on the particular value. So this is how our dashboard will be work. You can do some amendments like you can change the heading, colors, table color according to your need. So that's the power of a dynamic HTML dashboard with just few line of JavaScript and Chart.js, which I will paste in my description section. So you can copy and paste the same code directly into your own HTML file, so to save the time, and it will look like really appealing real-time analytics dashboard. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoy it, hit like button, subscribe my channel, and let me know in the comments what other coding tutorials you would like to see. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.